try the first one on the paper. We have our given statement. That'll be our first. Oops. Ahead of myself. This should be reason. Okay, statement 2. I would distribute here. 3x add 15 equals 2x add 20. I would choose to subtract the 2x, but it wouldn't be wrong to subtract 3x, or subtract 15, or subtract 20. I usually move my x's first, but anything would be fine. X add 15 equals 20, so I subtracted a 2x on both sides. I will call that subtraction, and because I did it on both sides, it's a property of equality. And my last step, subtracting 15 on both sides, I get x is 5. Again, because I did it on both sides, it's the same statement, subtraction, property of equality. If I had solved this and ended up with x equals 5, that would not be okay to stop at, because the problem asked me to show x is 5, not 5 is x, which is going to bring us to properties of equality. So we've already reviewed addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, but we have 4 very important properties of equality that are going to come into play a little bit here, in case you ended up with that, but a lot in future proofs. So the reflexive property, think of a reflection in a mirror. It's what justifies x equals x. Oops. X, or maybe 7 equals 7. Anytime you have the same thing on both sides. The symmetric property is the one I would use in the example I gave you. If x equals y, then y equals x. So it lets me put it either way. The transitive property says if x equals y and y equals z, then I know that x equals z. The important thing here is that those two are identical. Transitive property of equality. Now substitution, transitive is actually a special case of substitution. So substitution says if x equals 2 plus y and y equals 5, then x equals 2 plus 5. I want you to notice the difference here. These y's are the same, but here I do have a y and I do have a y, but this side of the equation is x. This side is 2 plus y. That side's only y. That side's only 5. None of the sides match up. I have to have it matched up to apply transitive. Okay? So we'll try another one. We'll give you a minute.